Fortnite Battle Pass. I found my ass. That's your ass? Booted up my PC. Cause I need meat to get that Fortnite Battle Pass.
It's me or the PS5. Tell me which of us is more your type. Seems like we can't decide. So if it's not me, then I'm probably gonna run it over.
Fortnite Battle Pass. I just out my ass, booted up my PC, cause I need to get that Fortnite Battle Pass. I like Fortnite, did I mention Fortnite? I like Fortnite, it's nighttime. I mean it's 5 o'clock, that's basically nighttime. Now remember Cartoon Network, Adventure Time.
Whopper, 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 Junior, Double, Triple, Whopper, Flame Grill, taste with perfect toppers. I boom, this day, lettuce, mayo, pickle, ketchup, it's okay if I don't want that. Also, pull a bacon, Whopper, any Whopper, my way, Whopper, Whopper, Junior, Double, Triple, Whopper, Flame Grill, taste with perfect toppers. I boom, this day.
Imposter is sauce. Dun, dun. When's imposter is sauce.